Campers. I'm Lisa, your Grow Camper Guide to South Dakota, and today I'm going to show you how to make Dutch oven donuts. They're super simple. Obviously use your Dutch oven. First thing you want to do is get your coals going. Your ingredients, very easy, pretty much just 3 ingredients. Some oil that you're going to fry your donuts in. Biscuits, I just buy whatever biscuits I can get in the tube at the store. Stick a little hole in them. And then whatever you want to cover your donuts in. I'm just using plain old sugar. You can do sugar and cinnamon. You can do powdered sugar. You could do powdered, chocolate, whatever you like. So I've got my oil in my Dutch oven. It's now nice and hot. Take the lid off. And all I do is drop these in and let them fry up. I'm going to put as many in as I can because we've got a crowd here today to feed. And I want to get the lid back on it because it is cold here in the mountains. If we can get more and more in there. So you can see they're nice and bubbly. They're frying up. So I'm going to put the lid back on. Let them fry for a little bit. And then when that side is nice and brown, I'm going to flip them over and get the other side nice and brown. And it's kind of a hit and miss, or experiment when you think they're done. But I think you'll know when you get that nice dark brown coloring that you see at the bakery on donuts that your donut is likely done. Take it out. We'll drop it in the sugar bowl. Or if you have a paper bag, that works really good. Drop the donut in there and just shake the bag. Cover them with sugar. And then I'm going to put them in that pan with paper towel on the bottom to absorb any extra oil. And that's it. They are delish.